Okay, so let us continue our discussion about limit. So this time, we will evaluate this function. So ang tawag sa function na to ay piecewise function. Find the limit of the functions x minus 4 when x is greater than 2 and 5 when x is less than or equal to 2 as x approaches 2. Unahin muna natin yung x minus 4 when x is greater than 2. So, what are the numbers greater than 2? We will use 5, 4, 3, and 2. Kasi approaching the value 2. So, when we substitute 5 to our function, 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 4, negative 1. 2 minus 4, negative 2. So, the limit of this function as x approaches 2 is negative 2. Try naman natin yung second function, which is 5 when x is less than or equal to 2. So, ano yung mga values na less than or equal to 2? We will use negative 1, 0, 1, and approaching 2. Okay, sa second function, ito yon. So, when x is negative 1, syempre the function is 5. When x is 0, the function is 5. When x is 1, the function is 5. And when x is 2, the function is 5. When x approaches 2, ang limit dito ay 5. Dito naman sa unang function, ang limit ay negative 2. They are not equal, therefore, the limit does not exist. So, kung titingnan natin yung graph, itong graph na to, ito yung graph ng function na x minus 4 when x is greater than 2. Tapos itong nasa taas, ito yung graph ng function na 5 when x is less than or equal to 2. Tapos ito yung limit nila. Okay, number 2. Find the limit of the functions 5 minus x when x is greater than 5 and x plus 2 when x is less than or equal to 5. Find the limit of the function as x approaches 5. Okay. Subukan muna natin yung first function, which is 5 minus x as x when x is greater than 5. So, greater than 5, we will use the value 8, 7, 6, and 5. So, kapag sinubstitute natin itong 8 dito sa ating function, ang sagot ay negative 3. So, when x is 7, the function is negative 2. When x is 6, the function is negative 1. And when x is 5, the function is 0. So, when x approaches 5, the limit is 0. Try natin yung pangalawang function na x plus 2 when x is less than or equal to 5. So, ano yung mga values na gagamitin natin less than or equal to 5? So, we have 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, kapag sinubstitute natin itong 2 sa ating function, sagot ay 4. When x is 3, the function is 5. When x is 4, the function is 6. And when x is 5, the function is 7. So, ang limit ng ating function dito ay 7. They are not equal, so the function does not exist. So, ito yung graph nung dalawang function. Ito yung 5 minus x when x is greater than 5. Meron ditong open circle kasi nga wala naman siyang or equal. Ibig sabihin hindi included. Dito naman sa ating pangalawang graph na x plus 2 when x is less than or equal to 5, included yung 5 kaya shaded circle. Third example, find the limit of the function x minus 3 when x is greater than 4 and 5 minus x when x is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so find the limit of the function as x approaches 4. Okay, unahin natin yung ng function na x minus 3 when x is greater than 4. So, yung mga values na gagamitin natin ay greater than 4. 7, 6, 5, and 4. Okay, so, when x is 7, the function is 4 kasi 7 minus 3 is 4. When x is 6, the function is 3. When x is 5, the function is 2. When x is 4, the function is 1. So, when x approaches 4, the limit is 1. So, next, we evaluate the second function, 5 minus x, as our x is less than or equal to 4. So, the values that we're going to use is 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so when x is 4, the function is 1. When x is 3, the function is 2. When x is 2, the function is 3. When x is 1, the function is 4. So, as x approaches 4, ang limit ay 1. So, they are equal. Ibig sabihin, the limit exists. So, ito yung kanilang graph. So, x minus 3 when x is greater than 4. Meron tayo ditong open circle kasi hindi included. Ito yung graph niya. Ito namang graph na to ay for 5 minus x where x is less than or equal to 4. Kaya meron tayong mga shaded circles dyan.